Welcome to our guide on restoring Google services on the HUAWEI device. Without further ado, let's begin. So, in the beginning, you will need to launch the app gallery. Then over here, look for the MicroG service app and get it installed. So in this video in particular, I'll going to be using the method where you need two parts to regain the full access to all Google services and Google apps. So this MicroG service is the best app to restore Google services on your phone, and in order to get Google apps, we'll use another one in a few minutes. So once this app is installed, make sure to launch it. Here, go into the self-check right away and make sure that all the permissions and things that are required are active, or at least all the things that you can get active. So this one you'll need to manually get the service framework, but I've tested without this feature enabled and it worked just fine. So as for now, we'll skip it and then just go one by one through every permission and grant it with it. So tap twice, allow, tap twice, allow, and do that until all the essential permissions are granted. So I've granted it with all the accesses that I could. Now get back to the MicroG settings, then sign into your Google account. So add Google account, sign in. Let me quickly enter my credentials off the camera. So I've successfully inputted my login and password. Now let's wait for the sign in to be completed, and here you go. So the MicroG part is out of the way. Now you will need to once again launch the app gallery. Then get yourself the Gbox application. Here it is. Let's get it installed. Now let's launch the Gbox. The only thing that you need to get from this app is the Google Play Store shortcut, and from there you can just install the Google services and Google apps directly from the Play Store. So let's wait for this app to get loaded. Yeah, so the Gbox application has been loaded successfully. So now hold at the Google Play Store, then create shortcut. And as you can see, your home screen has the Google Play Store. Now let's launch it. Sign into our Google account, which I will also do off the screen, obviously. So I have successfully entered my Google account credentials. And here we just need to wait for a few moments. And here's your Google Play Store. From there, just find whatever app you would like to get. The most obvious example would be YouTube. So let me do that. Here, as you can see, we need to provide the Gbox with an access, or should I say with a permission to install apps. So do that. That's the one-time deal. You will not need to do that every time you download the app, obviously. So now the YouTube is downloaded, we can go ahead and install it. And now launch the YouTube and use it as you would normally. As you can see, it works just fine. My Google account has been automatically signed into. And here you have it. The YouTube works just fine, as you would expect. Normally, the video plays itself back. Everything works just fine. So, should you have any further questions or any issues, do not hesitate to leave the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.